Hi there, I'm Elizabeth from the Austin Nature and Science Center. For today's 5 Senses Friday, we are going to do a super fun and super simple science experiment about color mixing. All you need is some dish soap, food coloring, and water. I'll show you how to make it.
Get about half a cup of water and squeeze in some dish soap. Then grab a whisk or pour the mixture into a blender. I'm using my hand mixer. What do you think will happen when we mix up the water and soap? Whoa, look at that! It is bubbling up so much it's turning into white foam. Now I'll pour the foam into a baking pan, but any bowl or tray will work. Now I'll add some color. I've added liquid watercolors here since they are washable, but you could use food coloring or try a different kind of paint. I am sticking to primary color.
Now it is time to play. I would like to make some green foam. What colors do you think I should mix together to make green? I think I'll try some yellow and blue, and we'll see what happens. Oh, we made some green foam to add. What about if I wanted to make some orange foam? What colors do you think I should use? Do you think blue and red will work? What color might that make? Now we have some purple foam. I'll add it right in. So we still haven't made orange. What colors do you think I should mix to make orange? Should we try yellow and red? We made orange. Now we have a rainbow of foam. We can play with this foam in lots of different ways. We can grab some small toys and imagine they are swimming in the foam. I don't see my friends. Where did they go? Here's my lobster covered in blue foam and my friend turtle, and oh, you can't even see my Lego person. Whew. There he is. You can also just have fun mixing and jumping and scooping and jumping again. Look what's happening to all of the colors. They are swirling together. How beautiful. This project goes great with books like Mix It Up, Little Blue and Little Yellow, and Mouse Paint. I hope you have fun getting messy and mixing colors and experimenting with foam. Bye!
Check out our Facebook page for more videos from the Austin Nature and Science Center.